Equation of electric field. Electric field in equation ಏನು? Electric field ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. It is force per unit charge ಅಥವಾ test charge ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. Okay. Here consider two charges Q, capital Q. Here Q is a source charge ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. Source charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ it produces its electric field. Okay. Test charge ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು electric field ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It does not affected by or it does not produce any electric field ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. It is just imaginary charge. Okay. So plus Q1 ಅಥವಾ Q1 ನಾವು test charge ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ so what is the force exerted on this test charge from source charge ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ electric field ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So F ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ q ನಡುವೆ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ capital Q and small q. So it is written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into small q divided by R square, because both are separated by distance R anta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. Okay, electrostatic force between this source charge and test charge can be written as like this. ಇದನ್ನ equation number 1 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, electric field ಅಥವಾ electric intensity is equal to force per charge ಅಥವಾ F divided by Q ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ equation 1 divided by Q ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ test charge. So we can write vector E or electric field equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ F ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ numerator quantity 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q, capital Q into small q divided by R square divided by Q ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ divided by Q ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Q get cancelled. Therefore, vector E can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square into vector R cap. It is the vector form of electric field or electric intensity. What is R cap here? It is a unit vector directed from Q towards small q. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ small q ಅಂದ್ರೆ test charge, capital Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ source charge which produces electric field. So electric field ಅಂದ್ರೆ electric force ಅಥವಾ electrostatic force exerted on unit positive charge or test charge. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು mathematically F by Q ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ.